Magsiupo po tayong lahat upang maghatid ng kanyang pagbuhat ng mensahe ang ating ambassador para sa bansang Brunei, Ambassador Marian Jocelyn R. Tirol Ignacio.
Napakalaking karangalan po para sa amin na makikinig po kayo. As we commemorate this year's 40th anniversary of diplomatic relations between the Philippines and Brunei Darussalam, allow me to proudly present to you, Mr. President, our Filipino community, which now numbers over 22,000 and its innumerable accomplishments of freedom, particularly the Filipino community organization, Pinoy Shutters, the Philippine Embassy. It recognizes their invaluable contributions in bridging our two nations. Mr. President, we will be deeply honored to present to you 40 years of friendship, a commemorative yearbook of Filipino community organizations in Brunei Darussalam. Salamat po at magpapalay.
Maraming salamat po, Ambassador Tirol Ignacio. Para handugan tayo ng ilang awiting pupukaw sa ating damdaming makabayan, isang